What is the chapter's name? Inserting list and tables in HTML5. Good morning, students. All are happy? Yes. Why happy? Because lockdown is everywhere. Yes. Yes. No. Then why happy? हाँ? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. नहीं है. ओके. ओके ठीक है. Okay. Okay, my dear friends. So now I will discuss about your chapter. Okay. So first, we are already knowing in previous classes we are already know about HTML. So what is HTML? Why we are using HTML? We are already discussed. So we are know about HTML means what is the full form of HTML? Hypertext markup language. Yes. Hypertext markup language is stands for HTML. Means HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So we are using HTML for creating the web page. Okay, we are already discussed in previous classes. HTML is used for creating the web page. And why we are using CSS? CSS stands for cascading style sheet, already discussed, and it is using for designing the web page. If you want to create attractive web page, then we will use CSS in HTML. Understood? Yes. Any problem? Okay. Okay, dear students. So now we will discuss according to your book. So we will use in this chapter how to we create list, how to we create HTML tables in how to we create tables in HTML. So now we will discuss about it. So before list, we will learn about what do you mean by list. All of you are creating list or not? No. All of you know or not, don't know about list? No. Yes. How to we know? Hello. Before going to market, yes, before going to market, we are always using list. We are always creating list. Yes. All of you seen book list? All of you seen book list? Yes. So in book list, a lot of books are there. A lot of books are there. Okay. In your schools, attendance are given. Yes, very good. Marks table given, time table given. Yes or not? Yes. Means what do you mean by list? A list is a record. A list is a record of short piece of informations. Okay, a list of a record is there. A short piece of informations are putting there, just like your name, your addresses. Also some list, in some list, suppose if we are using shopping list, we are using a list of items there. In first item we will use these things. Yes. Yes or not? Okay. So now, according to usage, how many types of list we will we will use two types of list. How many types? First type's name is ordered list and second type's name is unordered list. According to the name, unordered list means they are not arranging serial wise. They are not arranging according to the serial wise. Okay, according to the number wise. Okay, so unordered list we are using for writing in symbol wise. Okay, okay. During examination time, always we are using some points for writing in unordered list. Yes, point wise writing answer na. So there always we are using different symbol for point. Point number, a star, bullet, all these things, all these symbols we are using. So these types of matter we are writing in symbols form. So these types of matter is known as unordered list. Understood? अच्छा, ओके ओके, एक बार फिर से मैं बताऊंगा. अनऑर्डर का मतलब क्या होता है? विदाउट एनी अरेंजमेंट. ओके, ओके, विदाउट एनी अरेंजमेंट. जैसे आप लोग कोई इंफॉर्मेशन लिख, मान लीजिए आप लोग मार्केट गए, कोई भी मान लीजिए आप सामान खरीदने गए हैं, तो सामान खरीदने गए हैं, तो आप लोग डॉट वाइज लिखते हैं ना, पॉइंट वाइज. फर्स्ट पॉइंट this object, second point this object, third point this object we will get. Okay, or by. Yes, so these types of list is unordered list. Okay, any problem? Okay, what do you mean by order list? So order list according to the serial wise we will write. Suppose we are I am saying about write the name of the months. Then how to be write? First month name January 2nd. Yes, means all these months name is in serial wise, ordered wise. Okay, so this is called ordered. Okay, so if you want to buy any object, anything, then we will arrange object or items in serial wise, just like 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on. Okay, so this is ordered list. Understood? Any problem here? Okay. So here in page number 151, li tag given. What is the use of li tag? Li tag means list items. Okay. What is the meaning of li tag? Li tag means list item. So, as the name suggests, it is used to display an item in list, may be ordered or unordered. So, here list givens. Okay. Next points. Type attribute. Type attribute. Here type attributes given. Okay, so in type attributes, many symbols are using during writing time unordered list. If you want to create unordered list, then many different symbols we are using during writing time unordered list. Just like a square symbol, disc symbol, circle symbol, then we will use on type attribute. Okay. Okay, I will again repeat. Listen carefully. Okay. Suppose we want to create an order list. Suppose we want to create an order list. So during an order list, there are many types of items. Many. Suppose I am buying to some books and some copies also we want to buy. Okay. Okay. So if you want to write book's name, book before the book's name we will use a square symbols, then we will use a square symbols. If you want to write before copy a disc symbol, then we will denote by disc symbol. And we will use before pen name circle symbol, then we will use circle symbols. Means different symbols we are using for denoting the different object. Okay. समझ में आ गया? Any problem here? Okay. So look here, one box are given. Here flowers name given. What is the first flower's name? Second flower's name. Third is four. And fifth means five flowers names are given. But first flower's name, before first flower's name there is square symbol. Middle two flowers name is circle disc symbol, and last is circle symbol given. So this is the use of tab symbol. Any problem? Okay students, सब कुछ समझ में आ गया आप लोग को? Dear students, all of you understood about this topic? Yes, very good, very good, very good. Now we will discuss about order list. I think all of you understood about order list, but again I will repeat. Okay, order list. All of you name all of you understood according to the name. Order list means arranging the names, arranging the items in ordered way. Okay, arranging the names, arranging the items we will write in order way. So then we will use order list. So how to we arrange any items in ordered way? So in ordered way we will use A B C D. We will use 1 2 3 4. We will use Roman numbers. Yes or not? Yes. Means different things we will use in order list. So if you want to create order list, then which types of tags we will use? OL tags. Which types of tags we will use? OL tag. But how to we use a OL tag? Listen carefully. So everyone go in page number 153. All of you go page number 153. Okay. Look here. Here given attributes of OL tags. OL tags means order list. Okay. So in OL tags, three attributes are there. How many attributes are there in order list? Okay. So look here. First, a start here given. OL a start equal to 10. So here 10 is written. So the list will start from 10 to 1. Okay. List will start from 10 to 1. Any problem? And here written reverse. What is the meaning of reverse? Yes. So here written OL start 10 and reversed. That means list will start from a bigger number, then last will have 10. Okay. And last here type. So type here first given means list will start in Roman number like first, second, third this way. Any problem? All of you understood? So in type form, we will use 1, 2, 3, 4 also. We will use ABCD also in capital, ABCD also in a small, I know, first, second, third. So this way we will use. Okay, problem? Any problem? So here examples are given in order list. Here one written now. So what is the one? One is default case numeral, and here uppercase numeral. Here lowercase numeral. All of you understood? A for uppercase letter and a small a for lowercase letter. Any problem here, friends? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. Hello. Abhishek. आप लोग को समझ में आया? रजनीश समझ में आया? ओके. सुफिया नाज, रोहित, कोमल, सबको समझ में आ गया? ओके, वेरी गुड. Very good, students. So tomorrow I will discuss about various types of list properties. Okay. Any problem here? Because in one day, if I will complete more and more chapter, more and more page, then you will not understood. Okay. So write some question. Write down some question. Okay. Page number 168. So everyone open. Opening. डी सेक्शन में आप जाइएगा. डी सेक्शन. Every students open page number 168 in D section. In D section, question number first, question number second, question number 5, and question number 6. Okay. And E section, question number first, and question number third. Question number third. Understood? इतना आप लोग बनाइएगा. ठीक है, इतना आप लोग. Question number first, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ and question number 6. Okay, written. So all these questions everyone write in fair copy. Any problem, dear students? Okay. तो आज के लिए इतने ही रहने देते हैं, ठीक है? ओके, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट डे भी इसी इसी टाइम क्लास लेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ हाँ, मैं इसलिए तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट डे इसी। देखिए, 3 दिन हम लेने के लिए सोच रहे हैं, ठीक है? क्योंकि मेरा पोर्शन पीछे हो रहा है, इसलिए 3 दिन लेने के लिए सोच रहे हैं। हम कोशिश करेंगे आप लोग के लिए कि वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे और फ्राइडे को हम क्लास लें, ठीक है? ओके, ओके, थैंक यू।